Here we are today, me and Mel, GWS. We just need to reduce these leylandii down here, in between this garden and the neighbours. Got to trim this one up as well. The customer just made us a drink each, for me and Mel. Got all this.
Got some milk.
Yeah, tar. Nice. We've now both bungalows. I want the gutters cleaning out, that one there, but we're going to clean the fascias as well at the back or the front of the house. And this one here, this is just a front and a back gutter. This one only front and back, inside and flush. We can do it off the little step, so we don't need to put any poles on, but you could put about 2 poles on if you wanted. Done the front gutter, just the back gutter to clean the inside out. Once we've done this one, then we'll do the neighbour's side. So we just got to clean the back fascias, not the conservatory, when we've done the gutter. As you can see, it's quite bad. That's all cleaned out up to the fence, past the 4 sides here now. Right, we just need to clean this gable end fascia. Still part of the same job. So we're just setting up, we use a ionic system, the Quattro. We're going to spray it first with a degreaser, which is in there, and then to power the Quattro. Quite a bit of a setup needed just to do this job. Just on the garage roof now, because I just wanted the fascia cleaning at this gable end and all the algae getting off. There's Mel down there. We haven't quoted for the conservatory, but we'll just give the conservatory a little bit of a clean just while I was up here. But it's more the gable end bit, this fascia bit we have to do. Just scraping the moss out the valley and then we'll vacuum it. This side valley is cleaned out. Just flush the gutter as well. The customer's drain's blocked, so we're going to see if we can unblock it using the vacuum. The valley is really full of moss here. Mel is vacuuming up all the moss. This side all cleaned out. Now we're on the back of the bungalow. Valley, quite a bit in there, but the gutter is absolutely chock-a-block. Just clean the valley out. Loads of moss on the roof. Need to move my ladder up to get to that part of it.